Okay, so let's take a look at how you can import the content from Google Sheets into Google Appsheet. Right. So first thing you should do is make sure to sign up to Appsheet, and for that you can use Gmail ID or any other login method that you have, which is accepted. For example, let's see. Let me show you the available login methods. So if you check the sign in option here, it is Gmail ID, Microsoft ID, Apple, Dropbox, Smartsheet, Box, and Salesforce. These you can use to sign in. Once you sign in, you will have dashboard that looks like this. You will have empty apps and database options. So in order to create your app out of Google Sheets, you will need to choose create an app, and here if you don't find any sheets option, go to database. Here you will find option to check for import from sheets. Click on that. Now it will try and fetch your current connected account. So here, as you can see, I have already one of the budget spreadsheet which has month, income, amount, and category. As you can see, this is very short data, but out of that I'm going to create the app. So coming back to dashboard here, I can type in budget, and here you see the sheet will be highlighted. I can also download this sheet, try and upload it here in case it is made with another account on there and they are not sharing that. In that case also you can make use of it. So I will choose the sheet that I created here and try and import. So these are some details. We will be recreating that particular. Okay, so we will say always allow and try and check again. So let's refresh just in case it is not showing. Here you will see your data imported. Now click on that, it will take you there, and as you can see it has imported the data, but the type of data of each row we need to specify. Here I can see edit column. Here it will be text. If it's something that is you can add, you can specify if it's specific month or so, right, or date or so, you can do that. In this particular case it is just text, right. Then comes income and expense. We can make that into drop down column, right? So here we can choose between multiple option, right. So let's see if we can check for option here. Here you can see this enum. Here we can add values, right. So first value we will add, which is income. Second value we will add expense. We will save this, and then we can see we are choosing one of the values. So next time we add the row, will allow you to select between the two. Then comes amount. We will also add that to edit column. Then it should be a number, so decimal. If you have any other field like number, you will go with that. Save, right. Then comes category. Again this will come under enum, and we will go with that. So there is also enum list. So here within enum list we can add something like, let's see, home, garden, then salary, entertainment, then bills, taxes, and miscellaneous. So we will save that. Say yes. And there we go. We will have such multiple categories. Right now, currently it is not connected to anything. So we will go back to our app. Right now, here click on create and then app with existing data. Right, so select that, then here we will choose other. Let's name this budget. Choose your data, then Appsheet database. We have our table. So sheet 1, update, add, delete, and choose create app. Now we are moving to next step, where you can see the data from that particular budget database is now creating into an app which will be visible like this budget app, where you can see each category, then month, then expense is listed. You can also add new data, month, income and expense. You can choose amount, then category. Within amount you can, within category you can choose the category and then finally save it. Right, so as far as app view is concerned, you have multiple views. Desktop view, where you can actually check like this. Preview, where you have these additional pages as well. Right, you can also change the view it appears, so we can check views. Right, so within sheet can make it deck or I can make it table. Here you see this is table. Can make it look like a card, that is also possible. Right, then there is also dashboard type of view, can have that, or detail. The detail one is much better as you get better view of data. So if I check the vertical view, it's better, and I can also use left and right move to check between data. Right, so depending on how you move the content, it will look much better. Right, you can finally also save this and your app is pretty much ready. So you made this through importing your Google Sheets. So we'll be also taking a look at importing data from, let's say, SQL Server, or let's say other cloud SQL, which includes things like MySQL or maybe Postgres, or even other data sources like JSON, CSV file. So we'll take a look at that as well.